first thing to recognise is that divorce is a really stressful experience and that it's absolutely not a decision that should be taken lightly. But I think the reality is, by the time people get to us, they've done everything that they can to try and keep their relationship on track, and there's a really good reason for that.
The first thing I would say is that don't underestimate how big and important a decision this is. What's really important is that you have the kind of information and the kind of context that allows you to make a very personal and very important decision. There's a huge amount of information online and it can be totally overwhelming. What's really important to remember is that everyone's situation is unique, and that's why you need to speak to someone with insight on exactly how this works in your specific context.
When a relationship breaks down, it can be really tough and extremely challenging to talk about the future with your ex, especially in a balanced way. It's a really big decision. If you do decide to move forward with divorce, there are so many things you'll need to consider, particularly about your finances or if you have children. There are lots of ways to go about it. You could have discussions over the kitchen table, for example, or engage in mediation, arbitration, or solicitor negotiations. Or you could have a combination of all of those, as we use in our programme Uncouple.
Take your time to think about the options. A quick fix is seldom the right one. You won't necessarily have all of the answers right now, but there's lots of support, information and advice available for us to help you to make the right decision for you and your family, whether that's to stay together or to separate.